If you are new here, I'm Nico, a French content creator living in Vancouver, Canada, documenting my journey to build my ideal life through consistent actions. This week was about discipline, catching up, and getting back on track, even on the days where motivation wasn't there. Monday, I woke up at 5:45 a.m. and went to the gym for an upper body session. I was tired, but I stayed productive. I filmed episode 20, reduced my task list, and kept making progress on the wedding paperwork. I called my family, a busy start to the week. Tuesday, I slept almost 10 hours and woke up refreshed. I called my grandfather on the way to the gym, then watched part of the November 11 memorial ceremony. At WeWork, I recorded episode 21 in the meditation room and starting editing right away. A quiet, focused day. Wednesday, I finished editing episode 21. I'm officially caught up after 1 month of consistency. I had a solid leg day with squats and felt myself getting stronger. My next goal is to bring my task list down to around 12 items so I can focus on the big project, the gym, running, and recovery. Thursday, a slower day. I wasted time on YouTube and even force quit my screen time blocker. But in the afternoon, I reset, stayed disciplined, and booked my blood analysis for January. At night, I got a massage through ClassPass, and then went to a WeWork event at Greta. I talked with a few guys about AI, business, and tech. Super interesting conversations. Not a perfect day, but I ended it well. Friday, a good morning at WeWork. I practiced chess, took a long walk, listening to an AI podcast, and trained upper body again. I'm also trying to reduce caffeine, pre-workout only once a week. During the walk, I reflected on my next project, an AI assistant app that understands my life by connecting to all my tools and software. At night, my fiancée and I had noodles at Genia. Saturday, I ran 10K and called my mom. We cooked pasta with shrimps and made a dessert from Peru. Watched a documentary and I meal prep proteins for the week. I'm sitting around 91 kilos, some water from creatine, some fat to lose, but overall, feeling good and stronger. Sunday, my screen time this week was 14 hours and 48 minutes, under my 15-hour goal. I ran another 10K, called my dad to talk about the wedding, and starting building a planning app for the Christmas holiday with Lovable. I ended the week with a brunch with a friend before he left for Madrid in Spain. That's it for week 22. Some highs, some lows, but steady progress. If you are on your own journey, keep going. I will see you next week.